Hello everyone, so my name is Marian Oliver and for today's video, I'm gonna ask a muscle builder.
My name is Jaylord Soriano, 18 years old from Reina Mercedes Isabela.
So first, how did you come up with this type of activity? What motivates you?
My motivation is to improve my strength, physique, and overall health.
What is the most challenging part as a muscle builder?
The most challenging part as a muscle builder is managing my time because I balance working out on gym and studying.
What are your personal fitness goals?
I want to improve my strength and to gain weight.
What are the problems you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Bago ako nagumpisang mag-gym, naisip ko kung paano ko pagkasya ang aking budget kada araw. And during the activity, doon ko na-realize na ang pag-build ng muscle ay napakagastos. After 1 month, naubos ang aking pera dahil sa pag-gym. Kaya ito ang aking naging dahilan kaya huminto ako sa pagbubuhat.
How did you balance between foods, career, and your activity?
Simple lang po, time management.
When you feel pain or discomfort, how do you manage these problems?
Sa lahat ng bodybuilder ay kailangan ng rest dahil ang pagbubuhat ay hindi inaaraw-araw. At ang pananakit sa katawan ay normal lang ito sa mga nagbubuhat.
How is your current weight affecting your life now?
Actually, kulang pa ako sa timbang na gusto kong ma-achieve. Pero based sa weight ko ay ngayon na ramdam ko na lumakas ang aking pangangatawan.
How do you determine the best training program?
As a bodybuilder, I choose exercises that target major muscles groups effectively.
What are the strengths and weaknesses of a muscle builder during the activity?
My strength is to enhance muscle growth and my weaknesses is potential side effects.
What are the advice and tips you can give to those who want to try this kind of activity?
My advice for those who want to try this activity, first, make time for regular exercise such as lifting weights and building strength. And the second, eat foods high in protein for muscle growth and energy. Proper rest is also important for muscle growth.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.